I feel like every new boho style I do, it becomes my fave. This is a bob, y'all. This is a boho bob. Get into it. Hey y'all, so I am back. Y'all, it's been about a week that I've had the hair installed. Mind you, this has been after being in salt water, in chlorine from a pool, saltwater ocean. So it's a little bit ratted and tatted and matted. So I'm going to wash it because it's actually feeling really prickly on my skin and my scalp is itchy. But before I do, I just want to show you what it looks like right now. We do have some pieces that tend to get away with the length, and all I do is I just take the bottom of it and I roll it up, and then I wrap the end around itself. This also helps kind of give it that blunt look, so there are no scraggly ends on the twists. So it's really in the back here. As you can see, we got some matting here. So hopefully with this wash day, I'll be able to work through these matted pieces and kind of bring the curls back to life. So let's get into it. I start by drenching my hair in water. I make sure to take the time to fully submerge the hair in water. For the first shampoo, I'm using a medicated shampoo prescribed by my dermatologist for my scalp. Nizoral also sells this shampoo over the counter, so feel free to check out your local Walmart, Amazon, Walgreens, etc. to purchase it. I focus on the areas where I tend to get flare-ups, around my hairline, at the back of my head, and I use this shampoo specifically for my scalp, so I don't focus too much on getting this shampoo on my hair. I let the shampoo sit on my scalp for 5 minutes and then wash it out. For the second shampoo, I'm using the Camille Rose Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse. I apply the shampoo directly to the hair in sections to ensure each twist gets covered with the shampoo. Then I separate each twist while smoothing the shampoo into the hair and work through any matted and clumped curls. As you can tell from the name, this shampoo contains ginger root, which has antiseptic properties perfect for clarifying the scalp and strands without stripping the hair. And it contains castor oil and aniseed oil to nourish and moisturize the hair. It has a mild yet pleasant scent with hints of ginger and lemon peel. I love the applicator on the bottle. It makes it a lot easier to get the shampoo on the scalp and the hair without wasting any product. To condition the hair, I am using good old faithful silicone mix. This is the best wash day hack for any human hair boho hairstyles. I smooth the conditioner onto the twists, making sure the curly strands are covered. This will also help strengthen and soften my hair in the twist for the duration of the time that this style is installed. I let the conditioner sit on my hair for 3 minutes and then rinse it out in cool water. I use a cotton t-shirt to squeeze dry the hair in sections. Next, I use my Cantu leave-in conditioner to moisturize my hair in the twists. I go row by row and focus the application to my roots where my natural hair is most exposed to the elements. For the boho curls, I am using the Camille Rose Curl Maker Jelly. I take a pump and go row by row, taking one twist at a time. I smooth the gel along each individual curl. This curl-defining gel is blended with marshmallow root and agave nectar to nourish and define curls. This is perfect for defining boho curls because it holds the curl in place, but it doesn't leave the hair hard and it tames frizz. During this step, I also redo any bantu knots that unraveled and I clip any curly ends that are sticking out lower than the bob. To set my hair in the twists, I am using the Camille Rose Mint Condition Style and Set Foam. I apply the foam to my roots and along the base of the twists, just about to where my hair ends in the twists. This styling foam is enriched with sea moss and aloe vera, crafted to tame frizz, add body, and hold your desired style in place. Now, this is a great style and set foam. However, I don't think it's touching their spiked honey mousse. Y'all know how much I love the Camille Rose spiked honey mousse. It eats down, especially for type 4 hair, and I'm gonna stick beside it. For my scalp, I am using the Camille Rose Cocoanibs and Honey Ultimate Strength Serum. It's a healing hair oil made with Ayurvedic alma and Brahmi oils, which is great to stimulate hair growth and combat thinning. It's a pretty thin oil, so it spreads easily, so you don't need to apply too much. And I absolutely love the scent. It smells like a cherry cocoa butter, and I love it. So this is the next day and the hair is fully dry. I just love the volume and the curls, absolutely luscious. Camille Rose also has a Braid and Scalp spray with their mint condition line. I like to use this spray on the hair when the curls could use a little bit of hydration, a little zhuzhing.
Can I just say this smells so good? Very minty. Love that.
It contains essential oils, herbs, and sea moss to soothe dry, itchy scalps, soften the hair roots, and revitalize hair strands. And here's the final look. Now this is a bob, baby, and I love my wash day results. All of the products used are linked in the description box. Try these Camille Rose products for your next boho hairstyle wash day and let me know how they work for you. I'll see you in the next video. God bless.
This is my fave. I feel like every new boho style I do, it becomes my fave. This is a bob, y'all. I love the length. This looks so good. I love it. Shout out to Eayon Hair. Trust me, get your human boho hair from them. Absolute best quality hair. This is a bob, y'all. This is a bob.